Hey guys, check them out. Got their heads under the building, their butts sticking out there. I don't care about their butts, but they make sure they protect their heads from the heat. And it's very hot today. So that's my cue. When I see that, that's when I put the tools down and say, nope. If they're smart enough to do that, then I'm just going to sit it out also. So you have to at least be as smart as a chicken. So what I do is I've got this old wood chair here, which keeps my butt cool. I think it's about 105, 106 today. But it's those UVs. They just sting the hell out of you. So I put my chair under the trailer here. I've got myself a headrest, a toolbox, cup of coffee, and I just kick it under here until about, I don't know, probably 4:30. And then when I see what I can do after that. But you can see I've got plenty of good scenery here. Got a good view of the gate so I can see anybody going past, or maybe a cool car will go by. There's a lot of hot rods in this neighborhood, so you'll see a nice hot rod now and then, or a classic car going by. And then I'm just surrounded here by my crew. And I've got all this awesome stuff to gaze at and contemplate what I'm going to do and the trip ahead. So everything I'm doing right now is just a big lead up. Everything's leading up to the run out east to South Wales. And then we'll see what happens after that. So I sit here in the shade and hope for a little bit of breeze and look at the classic wheels, and I look at the wheels on Thunder Truck 1 a lot. I think they're an awesome looking wheel. I think I like them better than Alcoa's. They're just, they just seem more stylish to me. The Alcoa's are smooth and shiny, but yeah, I just think they're the best looking wheel. And then the Dragon's over there. You can see how bright the sunshine is. That's the UVs. It just seems, the UVs seem really unnatural. Like overly intense. I don't know what the deal is with that. So I look at that, put my feet up, wait it out, be smart like Peaco and Red. And then I look on the framework of the trailer there, see where it bridges up to the fifth wheel there. I look at that framework a lot. And I just look at the way it's built, and the structure and the welding points and the gussets. I'm just kind of you can learn a lot by looking at this stuff, how things are built. Let's see, any side notes? I've got the pan on Thunder Truck 3 transmission ready to drop. So I'll drop that in a couple of days and I'll show that to you. And I'm just going to sit here and sip on some coffee and try to stay cool. And you guys have a good day.